Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we're going to be doing soccer great Cristiano Ronaldo. We're going to do Cristiano Ronaldo wearing the Portugal uniform. So let's get started. We're going to start out with a black fine-tipped marker here. And find that middle of your paper, the imaginary line, kind of the middle here. And we're going to put the head up high. And we're going to do this kind of a fun Funko Pop style, so it's a fun cartoon. So we're going to start out with the jaw. Let's go with a down, down, over, up, and slanted in. So this is kind of represents the sharp jaw line of Cristiano Ronaldo. And then right here on the edge, we're going to do a couple of ears that poke out. And now we'll start to do his hair. Two lines that go up. And then the hair kind of curves over. So I did this swooping, sharp, and then down into that line. So right here, we're going to go down, connect that hair over to the head. He sometimes has this sharp part, so we'll do over to this line that represents the hair. And we're going to do two big eyes, kind of Funko Pop style, cartoony. So one circle right here by the ear. And then follow that over here, the same size circle on that edge, okay? And then inside we'll do another circle, and these are the highlights of the eye. We're gonna leave these white on the inside and color the rest of the eye black here so we can fill this portion in. There we go. Same thing on this eye, colored in black. All right, so let's do the eyebrows now. We're gonna do one eyebrow that goes kind of these slanted eyebrows, thick black eyebrows. Slanted like he's having a serious soccer or football game. Here in America we call it soccer. I know in the rest of the world they call it football. So call it what you want. Now Cristiano Ronaldo has this pronounced kind of thick, long neck, right? So let me make sure this is in focus here. Alrighty. So we've drawn these lines. I'm not sure if that was completely in focus, so the camera just went into focus here. So the neck is going to start right here, go down, and then come to a point. We'll draw a little Adam's apple. He's got a big neck. And we'll do a little nose. Little lip, kind of these two arches, just real small, and then one underneath, and then his big chin. So that kind of represents the Cristiano Ronaldo face there. Now let's do the body. So we'll do a shoulder, and we'll have him kind of flexing up here. There's the wrist. Down, over, okay? Bring down his waist, back up, okay? And let's have his hand kind of doing a fist, so up, over, kind of this squared off fist. Kind of weird looking, but it's a cartoon. So, all right. So there's the one arm, and then we'll have this other arm kind of shoulder pointing down. Okay. Through his hand, almost like he's holding it outright, getting ready to push another player away. There we go. And he's got the Portugal uniform has this little collar, so we're going to bring the collar up. There we go. Now let's draw the shorts. Let's do his leg kind of standing on a soccer ball. So right here we'll do a little knee. And the shoe is going to be a big kind of oval cleat. These big cleats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shoelaces. Okay. I know that looks weird, but that's going to be his legs standing on top of this soccer ball. So big soccer ball right there. And why not? Let's do an octagon. 1. Let's see if I can do a kid's soccer ball here. If you need to take your time on the soccer ball, I understand. I'm not doing that great either, but kind of this honeycomb shape we're doing. Okay, and we'll color some of those in black. We'll color that in black so there's not a mess up. And the shorts kind of go around the knee there. Coming over here, I'm gonna do a short leg. Okay, this will be the socks. We'll do our famous giant clown shoe. 1, 2, 3. Because it's a cartoon. It's fun. Big spikes for cleats. Okay. There we go. We have the outline of our Cristiano Ronaldo kind of done here. What we're going to do is we'll do the number 7 on his shorts and on his shirt. A red jersey, green shorts, color his hair in black. Actually, let's do this. Let's do a couple of swoops. 1. He's known for his perfect hair, right? There we go. And we'll color those in maybe different colors. So we're going to hit fast forward. We're going to color this in. Nice skin color, red, green, soccer ball, and we should be done. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Cristiano Ronaldo, Funko Pop style.